Snoring is often seen as a harmless, if annoying, habit, but it can sometimes signal underlying health issues. Understanding why heavy snoring shouldn't be taken lightly is essential for maintaining overall health. Here's a closer look. Why snoring happens. Snoring occurs when airflow through the mouth and nose is partially obstructed during sleep. This obstruction causes the tissues in the throat to vibrate, producing the characteristic sound. Common causes include nasal congestion, obesity, alcohol consumption, sleep position, e.g., lying on your back, structural issues like a deviated septum or enlarged tonsils. When snoring becomes harmful. While occasional snoring might not be a cause for concern, heavy or chronic snoring can indicate serious health issues, such as 1. Obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. What it is? A condition where the airway repeatedly becomes blocked during sleep, causing breathing to stop and start. Symptoms: loud snoring, gasping for air, excessive daytime sleepiness, and morning headaches. Health risks: if untreated, OSA increases the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. 2. Cardiovascular problems. Heavy snoring can strain the heart, leading to hypertension and other cardiovascular conditions. Studies link snoring to an increased risk of heart attack and arrhythmias. 3. Mental health and cognitive issues. Poor sleep quality from snoring can lead to fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. Over time, it may contribute to anxiety, depression, and memory problems. 4. Impacts on relationships. The loud, disruptive nature of snoring can affect the sleep quality of partners, leading to strained relationships and reduced intimacy. What to do about heavy snoring? If snoring is severe or accompanied by other symptoms like choking, gasping, or pauses in breathing, it's essential to address it promptly. Here's how. Consult a doctor or sleep specialist. A sleep study can help diagnose conditions like OSA. Lifestyle changes. Lose weight, avoid alcohol before bed, and sleep on your side. Medical interventions. Devices like CPAP machines, oral appliances, or even surgery can be effective. Environmental adjustments. Using a humidifier or nasal strips may help alleviate mild snoring. Key takeaway. Snoring isn't always benign. Chronic or heavy snoring can significantly impact health and well-being, so it's important to address it early. If you or someone you know struggles with heavy snoring, I placed video link in comments the natural way to cure snoring permanently. This trick helped thousands of people avoid snoring at night and enjoy deep sleep peacefully.